Welcome back to my new class. Okay, how are you all? All are fine, well. Did you have your breakfast? Okay. Then the last week you learned what are 3-digit numbers. Fill in the blanks, how to read the 3-digit number. Do you remember that topics? Yes. Are you ready to study, learn? Okay, shall we begin the class today? Okay, what is the next? The same class, we are continuing the same class, same chapter, 100 and above. Then what is the first topic? How many numbers? You already know that how to read the 3-digit number, counting the 3-digit numbers, spelling of the 3-digit number, everything you know. Can you write how many numbers is this? Can you write it? Okay, how to write? I will explain. How many numbers are there from 561 to 570? What? How many numbers between these two numbers? How many numbers? You count how many numbers? You already know that they count 3-digit numbers. Okay, then count it starting from 561. We want how many number needed. Then count it. 561 to 570. 561, 562, 500. Then 61 is here. Then 561, 561, 62, 63, 564, 565, 566, 567, 568, 569, 570. These are the number 501 to 570. Then you count how many numbers are there from 561 to 570. Then you count starting from 562. 562 to 569. Others two numbers are given here. Count it. 562, 563, 564, 565, 566, 567, 568, 569. Okay, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. Then how many numbers are there from 561 to 570? 8 numbers. How many numbers? 8 numbers. We already given these two numbers, 561 and 570. So we are starting from 562 ending to 569. Okay, got it. The next one, 238 to 252. Then how many numbers are there from 232 to 252? Then count it. 32, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250, 251, 252. How many numbers? 14 numbers. How many numbers? 14 numbers. 14 numbers. So you count from 238 to 252. Then 238 is already given, so we are starting from 239. 252 is already given, so we are ending from 251. We got how many number? 14 number. These two numbers is not count after 238. Then just before 252 you can count. And stop it. Then count the fingers and write the numbers. We got what? 40. Got it? Then so many examples given in your textbook. So you do it. Okay. Next one. Fill in the blanks with numbers. Then I will write one number. 268. Fill this up. The starting and the ending as a blanks is given. You find out what is the before 268 and after 268. First of all, write it before 268. What is before? What is the before 268? Before which is number? 267. Okay. Then after 268, after which number? What is the next number? 268, 269. Okay, then next 420. Write the after and before the number. This is after, this is before. Then after means you write the just next number. The before you write the before the given number. Okay, 420. 20 before which number? Which number? 19. So we can write 490. Got it? 490, 420, 421. Okay. The next matter. 699. 699. 699. What is the next? 99 before which is the number? We already know that. 98. So we can write what? Then can we write what? Can you write this? What is before 699 and after 699? 698. 699. Next number is 600. 600 or no? 600? No. What is 699? What is the next number? 700. Do you remember the 3-digit numbers? Then 699. What is the next number? 700. Okay. Then you just find out the before the given number and after the given number. Can you follow me? Okay. Then these two topics you are understood. Okay. Now you are learning the 3-digit numbers. Then this is write in words. We already studied the number names of the number. Okay, what is number name? Number name means you write the spelling of the given number. Okay, then write in words. Words means you write the spelling of the given number. Understood? So first of all, read this number 527. 527. So you already know that spelling of 100. What is the spelling of 100? HUNDRED. What is the spelling of 100? HUNDRED. As a number name of 100. So we can write 527. 527. 5. FIVE. 5. 100. HUNDRED. 527. Last week we learned 20, 30, 40 all number names. Do you remember? Okay, so you should by heart that spelling of numbers. So number name of numbers. So 27, 20, TWENTY. 20. What's the spelling of 7? So 7, SEVEN. So we can write the words. So 527. Understood? The next question is 346. 346. Next here 3. THREE 3. 300. HUNDRED. 340. There's so many students mistake this spelling 40. What is the 40 spelling? FORTY. You made so many mistakes. I saw last week we wrote FOURTY. Is the not the spelling of 40? What is the spelling of 40? What's the number name of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. That is F-O-R-T-Y. 46. So, you write the 40's number name, you write carefully. Okay, F-O-R-T-Y, 40. This is the numbers as given, you write the number name. Okay, then what is this? Writing figures. Figures means what? You write the number. The number name is given, you write the number. How to write the number? 983. 900. What is 900? We are writing 9. 900, write 9. 83, you know the 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Okay, how to write 83? 83. So we can write 983. Got it? How to write the writing figures? The number name is given, you write the figures. 900, write 9. 83, write it. 983. Got it? Next, 630. 630. 600. First of all, you write 6. 13. How to write 13? 11, 12, 13. Okay, so 1, 3. Then how to read this? 613. So, we can discuss now the writing words and writing figures. Understood? Okay, now we are learning the 3-digit number, how to write in words and figures. The next one numbers is given. 825 rupees. What is 825 rupees is given. Then how to write this 825 rupees in different ways? Got it? What is this? We need to write 825 rupees in different ways. Okay, first of all, we already studied what 100 equal to 100, 200 is equal to 200, 300 is equal to 300, 400 is equal to 400, 500 is equal to 500, 600 is equal to 600, 700 is equal to 700, 800 is equal to 800s, 900 is equal to 900s, 1000 is equal to 1000. We already learned that. Okay, this is what 825. 825, how many hundred? Do you know how many hundred? Okay, how many hundred? 800. So you had already learned 800s make a 800. 800s make a 800s. Okay, then how to write these numbers in different ways? Then do you know the rupees? The last class we saw the so many notes. 500, 200, then 500, 25, then 10s. So many notes you saw that. Do you remember that? Okay. Then we are writing the so many notes and rupees is given. You write these 825 in different ways. First of all, we are writing first this 825. 825, how many rupees? How many 500 have 800? So, this is a writer 500 plus, then what, how many hundred? 1 500 rupees. This 500. 1 500 rupees. Then how many 100 rupees? This is 800. 1 500 is given. 500, 600, 700. So, 50 rupees is given. So, we can write only 200. So, in this section, 1 500 rupees is given. 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 10 rupees, 5 rupees. These are given here. Giving here. So, we can write for 1 500 rupees. Right. 1 500 rupees. Then, in 50 rupees is given. So, you should write only 200 rupees. 200 rupees means 200. What is 500 plus 200? 700. Then we want how many hundred? 800. We need 800. So we can write Only 100 is remaining. Remaining only 100. Then how many 50 rupees makes 100? We already learned that. How many 50 rupees make 100? Do you remember that? Last Google Meet time we learned that. How many 50 rupees make 100? 250 rupees. So 250 rupees means 100. So 50 rupees, 50 rupees. Okay. Then how many 10 rupees? This is what? 25. 25. We already learned 20 means how many tens? 2 tens make 20. Remember? 2 tens, 20. So we can write 2 here. 2 10 rupees. No. 2 tens, 20. Okay. Then how many 5 rupees? Only 1 5 is here. So we can write 5. So 10, 10, 5. So we can write 1 500 rupees, 200 rupees, 250 rupees, 210 rupees, 1 5 rupees. Got it? Okay. Then next, so we can write 825, 1 500 rupees, 200 rupees, 200, 250 rupees make a 100, 2 tens make a 20, then 5 rupees. Then here, what is 100 rupees? How many 100 we already say? 825. So how many 100? 800. Okay. Then how many 20 rupees? 25. How many 20? Only 120. Only 120. Okay. Then how many 5 rupees? Only 1 5 rupees. So we can write what? This had 1 800, 120 rupees, 1 5. Then we got what? 825. Are you follow me? Understood this how to write in different ways of the 825 rupees. Okay, then next again 500 rupees. How many 500 in 825? Only 1 500. 1 500 rupees. Okay, next how many 100 rupees we already see. How many? Here is not a 50 rupees. Here is not a 50 rupees. Then we can write what? First of all 500. Then how many 100 needed? 500. One is the 500. 600, 700, 800. How many 100? Only 300. Only 300. How to got it? In 1 500 in 825. So we can write 1 here. Then how many 100 how to calculate? Already 500 is given. Then next 500, 600, 700, 800. How many 100 we need? 300. So we can write 3 here. Okay. Then how many 20 rupees? 25. Only 120 rupees. Then how many 5 rupees? Only 1 5 rupees. 1 5 rupees. Got it. Then some examples are given in your textbook. So you do it that problem. If you have any doubt, then you will ask me personally. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, then we will arrange 825 rupees in different ways. Okay, my dear children, we will stop now. Let's stop our class now. So, if you have any doubt, ask me. Ask me our class time. Okay, bye. See you the next week.